So good morning every one of you, and online students, very good morning to all of you.
Good morning,
See,
Harsha.
for first to 5 minutes, let's try to recollect what we have done in on day one, day two. Just a brief out. See, if any one of you are attending the PEGA sessions today as a first class, okay. So what you have missed? You have missed day one, day two, 2 days together. PEGA BPM demo. That is what you have missed. Then how can you get that backup? For that backup, we have two videos available. We have two videos available which we have posted in Google Classroom. Or you can request on this number 9652532753. Just mention your name, attending PEGA demo. Today is my first day. Today is my first day. If you mention like this, they will understand that you have missed last 2 days sessions. They will share you all the necessary information. Clear everyone? So that's what the people who are attending today as a first class to do. Okay, next. See here. So here you go now. So we have on day one and day two together, we have discussed about what is PEGA, what is BPM, what is the use of PEGA and BPM, what is the architecture of BPM, what is the architecture of PEGA. Okay, after this, we have got an idea about uh, what is automation of program. What is the most important one? What is automation of program? That is the most important point we have discussed. Okay, see, PEGA is used for application development. So BPM is used for application development. So BPM platform is used for application development, where in the development by using BPM, we can implement all phases of development by using a single unified platform. That is BPM platform. What is that? Requirements gathering, development, unit testing, versioning, deployment, reporting, even more actually. All this can be done on single platform. If you want to do all these using other technologies, if you're developing application, you need to purchase different tools. Separate tools you need to purchase and integrate them. But in BPM, it is a single platform which has everything for business process management application development. So BPM is used for business process management application development, and we can do all these phases on BPM platform. Same is applicable for PEGA. Same is applicable for PEGA. Transaction model in BPM can be designed like a flow diagram. We are calling that as a process. Process means one transaction, one work that can be done from beginning to ending, either by acceptance or rejection. That's what we have understood. And coming to this one, here you go. See, we can cover all the phases of software development lifecycle by using BPM tool. We design the transaction model like a flow diagram. We are calling it as process. Process is unit of work. BPM, what is this? Whole tool, right? BPM as a whole tool, it is called as BPM tool. Okay, BPM suite, sorry. And BPM suite is that environment, BPM environment. So BPM suite architecture has business rules. I explained you what is a business rule. Business rules database which stores business rules into it, and business rules engine which drives the business rules from business rules database to BPM environment to achieve required goals. That's what we have discussed. Overall, BPM is a methodology. Overall, BPM is a methodology. And PEGA is a tool, PRPC. PEGA PRPC is a tool which is built for application development without coding. It is built based on BPM methodology. PEGA PRPC tool is built based on what? BPM methodology. Because it is built based on BPM methodology, it is called a BPM tool. PEGA provides business process management application development environment, where if it is built based on BPM methodology, it should have in its architecture, it should have everything, right? So what is there in the architecture at high level? Not architecture, I'm sorry. First, this one I will cover. So whatever we discussed in BPM, business rules database, business rules engine. These three should be there in PEGA also, correct? It has. Business rules we call in PEGA as PEGA rules. Business rules database we call it as rule base. Business rules engine we call it as process commander. We call it as process commander. So in detail architecture of PEGA, what do you have? That is what we have discussed and I have explained you using diagram. Process is there, rules are there, rule base, process commander. And Java compiler and XML clipboards are there. Logins can be created on the environment. Integrations can be done using web service protocols. These three I did not tell you, but I have written here. Okay, just keep in mind, we will discuss later. You will not be able to understand now. Rule sets, servlet, node manager. You will be getting the knowledge about all these things during the practicals. Okay. Next. Okay, using PEGA, you are developing business process management applications, right? Especially today, what are the applications that are available? What type of applications are available, developed, already running, and by using PEGA? So two types of applications are there: internet, intranet. Internet are public domain. Anything you access in the internet, www dot something, public domain. Intranet means the applications that are being accessed within an organization by its employees for internal business process, called as intranet applications. So far till today in PEGA, we have only intranet applications, the applications which will be used inside the organization. If that is the case, you may get it out. Why only inside applications? Why not outside applications? Outside applications also we can develop. PEGA is for business process management, which is internal to the business. For one outside application, public domain application, in the back end, we will have n number of applications. Actually, for Facebook application, you see thousands of applications behind the scenes running to support this Facebook front application. Okay, Facebook company application will be there, Facebook company employee management will be there, and so many things will be there like that. Okay, so many internal applications will be there. And especially for Amazon, PEGA is there. For Apple, PEGA is there. For Amazon application, Amazon, they are using PEGA. Apple, they are using PEGA. So PEGA is being used in so many clients, by so many clients. So we can develop applications using PEGA within less span of time. How come? PEGA is no coding. You don't need to write any code while using PEGA. I'll write down here. Okay. PEGA is what? No code. Means you don't need to write coding. Then how you do it? Form based programming. Programming not in the sense of your writing. Form based programming means everything is UI based navigations. I'll write down like that. UI based navigations, selections, drag and drop. Drag and drop, like that it will be. Not only this, see, if you are writing code from the scratch, suppose it is taking 1 hour. If you are not doing the code from the scratch, but you are drag and drop and code is generating in the backend, it may take 30 minutes, for example. Okay, it may take, let's say 30 or 30 minutes. Apart from no coding, PEGA has another feature. What is that? Predefined. What is that? Predefined. What does it mean? Already business components are created for you. Okay, already created, instead of already, I'll write down this: ready-made business components. Ready-made means ready to use, Andama. That is a better term, I think. Ready to use business components means the business component which you want to create already available in PRBC. You just need to know the name, what data to be passed. That's it. Now, this is no coding, form based development. That form based also even minimized. That component is ready made available, just access it. In the development, you integrate it at some point. That's it. Give the parameters, it is done. It will take only 5 to 10 minutes. So 1 hour development reduced to 30 minutes, reduced to 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So that is another advantage. So because of this reason, the applications in PEGA can be developed faster than any other technologies so far. These are the versions of PEGA. We are going to work on this version. PEGA 4, 4.4, 5, 5.5 and so on. 8.7, 8.8. 8.8 personal edition is not available so far. We're going to work on 8.7. This is what we have discussed uh, till yesterday. These are the points. And then I have taken up some doubts and questions. As I already told you, today I am going to go through FAQ document. What is that? FAQ document was there. I am going to go through FAQ document which we have already shared you. See, it is our responsibility that we need to provide complete details to a student before they join. Okay, so we should not skip something to while giving information to the students. Okay, that's why I'm taking up all these things. Somewhere it is available. Okay, FAQ document I will open. So we should cover as a trainer here. So I should cover all this and I should give you proper information. Based on that you can decide further generally. Okay, so even if you already decided, you should be going through it. See, you might have all these questions in your mind. See, am I eligible or not? First of all, my education background is eligible or not? My work employment is eligible or not? I have a gap after education. Am I eligible? How can I apply? And what are the job opportunities in the market? And what certifications are available? What certifications I have to do according to my profile? What is the cost for the certification exams? And what is the duration of the course? And what will be covered during the duration of this course? Will there be any help in the resume preparation before after the training? Will there be any help? How we are going to assist you for your job processing and interview preparation related, any help will be there or not there? This type of questions you may have in your mind. All this will be covered now. Just we'll go one by one. Okay, till I finish all this, you don't ask me any question. After I finish all this, most of your questions will be sorted out for sure. Still one or two may be pending, that you can ask me after I finish this. Just don't get bored. It is very very important for me to tell you what should be the education background that one should have. If you are a fresher or having gap, you might have this question to get into PEGA world. Any degree is okay. See, the IT industry has changed since after COVID. See, previously, see, suppose if you are looking at Singapore, the jobs for IT industry, especially, they don't bother about whether you are a technical degree or non-technical degree. They bother only about one thing. Today, I am hiring you for this technology. You know this technology or not? You are skillful about this technology. Your degree can be anything. That's how they will hire you. We can apply from India to Singapore, no problem. Okay, all of you are open to apply for Singapore. They will process your this visa and all 1 month maximum. Okay, eligibility is there for us, for every Indian, and process also very simple. Okay, but you should be skillful. Okay, through Naukri only we have that option for Singapore. US and all, it is difficult. 1 year 2 years it will take time, H1 and all. But Singapore is not like that. Singapore, Malaysia, easy. Now any background you have today, the organizations are hiring. We have people from MBA background, they are being hired as a PEGA developer for HTC. Okay, HTC Global. Okay, and even for other companies also, we have people from MCA background, normal degree also they have hired. Okay, I'm talking about fresher point of view. Any degree is okay, no problem. Well, coming to experienced people, okay, you have gap after education. Okay, you need to fill it. See, I am openly telling you, you have 4 years gap, correct? Your probability of getting job as a fresher is 0.01%. Okay, maybe some other academies or some other trainers might be telling whatever your background, if you are 2007 2008 also we will give you as job as a fresher. Don't believe in that. Even I can promote that. Okay, which is not real. Kindly understand, you do not see unless you experience, you don't know it, correct? which is not real. No one will agree to take 2010 pass out as a fresher today because we have so many freshers waiting outside. Correct? Worst case, you are a 2020, some companies may consider. Okay. 2020, 21, 22, some companies may consider 2020. That is also pretty less. You have a gap of 3 years or more. Definitely you go with experience. You might be getting a fear. If I go as experience, they will ask me so many things, though they will expect so much. You are here to get that preparation only. You are here today to get yourself prepared and mold yourself as an experienced resource. Even you are a fresher, same training. You are a gap, same training. You are, even if you are already working on PEGA, same training. It is from basic level. You will be molded as experienced resource. But only thing is, you need to have that willpower and you need to be fearless. Okay, to face anything, you will definitely be able to get it. Okay, but simply don't put yourself into a position where you expect someone to pay you salary and teach you something, make you learn. That expectation is wrong. See, why people expect, even after 4 years, 5 years, why people expect a job as a fresher? It is very simple and straightforward. You want someone to give you training, at the same time someone to give you salary and bear you without your performance. You want them to give you a time of 1 year. They have to bear you 1 year time, and then you will start performing. That's the actual mind. Okay, that's the actual reason. Maybe we will not say it outside. If you are an eligible fresher, you expect it, no problem. If you are not eligible fresher, how can you expect? Your expectation is wrong. Today you are waiting, okay, without taking training. After 2 years or 3 years, you have to do the same. Okay, today as you are not getting your job as a fresher, if you have 3 years or more gap and you don't want to learn, definitely after 1 year or 2 years again the same thing will repeat. You have to start learning and apply with same experience as a experienced developer to get into job. We will give you training, not only technical but also the real time process, how it will be, and we will mold you the interview point of view like a professional. We can mold you when you are supporting. See, definitely for every one of you, some people when they call us, they will ask us, is it job guarantee training? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by job guarantee? What is meant by job guarantee? That means, are we going to take you and make you sit in the seat? Is that possible for any training academy? Many training academies are writing job guarantee. Do you believe is that real? That is not real. At the same time, that is real. How? I'll tell you how. Okay, job guarantee means if you are a student with with proper dedication and determination towards learning, you are regularly attending the sessions, you are following the path that is being designed by your trainer, you will land into job, no doubt about it. That's the meaning of job guarantee. You have to crack your interview. We will make you to crack when you listen to us. If you're not listening to me, see, we have a defined path already, it is done. You travel only in this path without deviation. The destination is job, there's no doubt. Okay, it's already route map is done. Okay, you travel starting from a position in the same direction, same path, whatever that is already been paved. You will be landing at a position into job only. During this journey, some people may have to learn only technical because you are already working in IT industry. Okay, some people may have to learn technical plus they have to learn about real-time process because you don't know real-time process, right? You are claiming to be a real-time person, suppose you need to learn that. Some of you, maybe very few of you, may have to focus on even communication skills, maybe because you studied in Telugu medium in your schooling, you have to focus on that also. See, some people, limited information learning is enough because other skills they already have. Some people may have to start from the scratch now. If you are not willing to do it now, after 1 year you have to do again, after 2 years you have to do again. Otherwise you might be not coming into this field, you might be working in some other field where your skill is, this particular skill is not required. Okay, either you have to leave or you have to do everything. That's the point. Okay, you be ready to do everything, that is possible. Okay, so any degree background is okay, there's no problem about it, no doubt about it. If you are applying with as an experienced resource, maybe having a gap or already working, You don't even need to mention your degree information in your resume. Don't mention. Strictly, you don't mention your education background in your resume. We are hiring you as an experienced resource on so technology. Why should I bother about your education background? You're already experienced, right? You're already experienced. Why you are saying I am from MBA background now? You are already a software developer. You are already knowing a technology. That's what I am hiring you for. Why do I need to bother about your education background? You are a fresher, you mention, otherwise don't mention. Understand clear everyone? You are a fresher, then only your resume should have the point of education background, so on, so college and all. Don't prepare your resume like a fresher by copy pasting. You are 1 year experience. I do not want to see education details in your resume. Unless interviewer is going to ask you. Should not reveal. Okay. I am hiring you for a position of experienced resource on some technology. You are that. That's it. Why should I bother about your education? Whatever education, you are already skillful, right? Skill is the matter, not the education background. You are a fresher, it may come into picture as per the company norms. That is okay. Many MBA people are working as software developer. Many people from hotel management are working as software developer. How come? They are experienced. There is nothing matter with about this degrees and all. It's always about your skill. You are skillful, we will hire you. Okay, whatever the degree background can be. You might be going through news sometimes. A fresher hired with 50 lakh rupees of package by Amazon, by Microsoft. See, in the same Microsoft company, there was an experience. There are experienced people with a 30 lakh salary. They are working since past 10 years. Why the same Amazon is hiring a fresher who doesn't have experience, who do not know anything about IT companies and who do not know what is client, who do not have any experience, but 50 lakhs? Why? Skillful. That is the reason. So what is playing the key role, not only in IT field, any field in this world, politics, IT, journalism, anywhere, plays the key role. You are skillful, you are in, you are number one. Whatever your education background can be, no matter. You are skillful, you project to present the same. That's it, done. You do a requirement in PEGA by researching your own, with your own ideas and thoughts, implement some solution, small solution, post it in LinkedIn, explain it. People will come to you and give you a job. Okay, but we don't do it, unfortunately. We have our knowledge in my mind, in our mind, we will never present it. We feel like the presentation platform is only interview panel. That's a wrong approach. You're already skillful, right? Why do you need a separate platform as interview panel? You go and present in LinkedIn. One requirement, you do it in a best way and explain the solution for it. Tag some companies there, HRs and some companies who are looking for PEGA. Then this guy has good experience. They will call you for interview for sure. Okay, you don't need to wait for interview call. This is what you already have skill. You present yourself. Unless you present, how do others know about it? Don't wait for opportunity to be coming to you. You create the opportunity by yourself. Okay, so I expect you guys to do this. At least one requirement you research by yourself of any business implementation, which is not so ordinary. Okay, after you learn for 2.5 months, implement and explain it and upload it in the LinkedIn, and definitely you'll get a call. For sure you'll get multiple calls. They will hire because you're already proven there. Your interview also will be easy. Okay, this is why 50 lakhs for a fresher. Why? They did something. They presented it, okay, to the organizations at the right platform, and they are being hired by invited by the companies, red carpet. Okay, they don't bother about their education background and all. So do you think the WhatsApp developer or Facebook developer, they are from the IT background? They may not be, but they are skillful about the technologies. They know it and they have developed it. So is a degree mandatory thing to learn a technology? No, it's not mandatory. You are skillful. You, even if you don't have degree, they will hire you for sure, because every organization wants skillful resources to drive their projects. You are skillful. That is enough for us, actually, frankly speaking. Okay, if you are skillful, the organizations themselves hide everything. Your degree they will hide. Okay, everything. You are getting red mark in BGB, still you will survive. Why? You are doing better in the project like a real-time person only. Even you are getting red mark in BGV, your manager will say, okay, this guy is doing good now, leave him. Okay, let him do. Okay, so BGV failed people also still surviving. How come? Project need, you are skillful at the same time. If I am going to remove you and hire you someone else, can we guarantee that they are not going to be fake again? They are not going to be fake again. Can we guarantee that? You don't know the thing. For hiring a resource, it will take a lot of time, lot of money, lot of efforts. They don't want to repeat the same again. Instead, they will put you into PIP if you're not performing. Performance improvement plan, give you 2 months time. At least you prove now, you'll be in. Okay, so many chances will be given to you. The most difficult and toughest job in IT industry is HR, that to recruitment HR. Okay, so that is highly difficult job. So that cannot even be explained. Actually, I know the pain. So because I'm not a recruiter, but I know it. Okay, that's why they don't hire again and again. That is highly difficult. Actually, you are already in, it's okay, we'll give you 1 month time, please perform. Okay, when the candidate is worst, they will fire out. Okay, so that's the point. Whatever the degree, anything, you don't bother about anything. You are skillful, then okay. You set your mind to go as a experienced person. Eligible fresher 2023, 2022, worst case 2021, eligible freshers these are. You are done in 2016, you did not work in IT industry, you don't consider yourself as a fresher. That is not correct. I don't want to tell you, even if you are 2008, I will give you job as a fresher, please come and learn. Okay, that is wrong. Okay, I don't want to tell that. Okay, this is whatever I am saying. There may be cases 0.01%. Okay, they may be hiring 2016 pass out, but that will not happen every time to everyone. Okay, if I tell you tomorrow, you call me and ask, you are going to call me and ask me, okay, you told Harsha 2016 I'm going to get job as a fresher, I am not getting any calls. I do not want to change my words that time. Okay, so now itself I am clearly telling you, eligible fresher, okay, and you have gap, set your mind. Experienced, we will make you as experienced resource, but you need to give your time, and you have to be dedicated and determined towards what you are trying to learn today. Okay, and some people have this in their mind, do we need Java programming and all technical prerequisites? Also, I told you already. Once again, I'll tell you, there is no technical prerequisite required. If you are learning from me, I will teach you everything from zero. Come with empty mind, take this, that's it. Don't feel like I am non-IT background, I am civil, I am mechanical. Okay, I am working in bank, I don't know about IT industry and all. Okay, you don't need to know anything, and be happy that you don't know anything, and take it from zero. You will learn everything. Okay, and do we need Java programming for PEGA? Some people have this question in their mind. To learn PEGA we need Java. That is wrong. That is long back. Long back we need Java programming, right? 6.1 before. Yesterday also I mentioned the same point. You may have to write a little bit, but not now. You are a Java expert, you are writing it, no one will accept, client will not accept. See, if we are writing Java code by purchasing a license, why do I go for licensed product? I can directly do it in Java, right? Anything you want, which is not available in PEGA, which you are not able to implement by using PEGA, you need to raise an SR to PEGA systems. They will create and give you maximum of 5 days, not more than that. Okay, clear everyone? But you will face that situation once in a year, probably. Okay, because they are not working with one client, they're working with hundreds of clients. Someone would have already been requested before you for the same, that will be available in a latest version. Okay, so strictly it is not needed. What are the job opportunities in today's market? Okay, you know about today's market, the IT industry, every one of you know. The job opportunities for PEGA are always good in the market. I have never seen a downtime for PEGA so far in this 14 years. So recently we are seeing down because of, not for PEGA, every technology. Little bit it is down because of overall market recession, that you know. Okay, and that is happening everywhere. We are much in a much better position compared to USA and UK. Okay, but those are the two major players in the world. Okay, from them only we will be getting the projects, right, majorly. So that's why you will see the trend is being followed in India also. The impact will be there all the time. Okay, but we are in a good shape and good position. Even now our government projects are also, so many new projects are coming because old technology is gone, right? They are now moving to new technologies. Okay, in Indian government, PEGA is there with AP government. Okay, Andhra Pradesh government has PEGA projects for farmers related some processing. Okay, the applications will be used by IAS officers and that agriculture related departments. Okay, that departments, it has the company, the organization that is developing is ePragati, and it is there in Vijayawada. Okay, next, our this one CBI department is there central. They have PEGA applications. Okay, for internal documents and the case processings and all. Now even we are getting it into foreign relations related applications and all. That applications also may come into PEGA. So India also started using latest technologies, not only PEGA, even other technologies. So Indian projects, when they are, these projects are getting evolved, so you have companies like Infosys, TCS, major players, and connected small companies. All those companies also will get new projects, definitely. Okay, so our government also started taking new technologies. Okay, definitely there will be good number of opportunities. So there are opportunities in India, USA, everywhere. Okay, worldwide, across worldwide it is there, but only thing is we must be skillful. Okay, and this is one more question that you may have in your mind. Many people, they ask me, sir, because it is a tool, how long this tool will be there in the market? I have seen ClickView or Tableau sometime. Now everyone is saying Power BI. Tomorrow some people will say not Power BI, some other tool, because those are tools. It will be there playing a role in the market for 2 years, 3 years, and a tool will be gone. Another tool will come. PEGA is not such a tool. PEGA is a development tool. Application development from the scratch. As long as Java is there, as long as Python is there, as long as application development technologies are there in the market, PEGA will be there. PEGA is not a tool which is providing to do some small task in the industry. PEGA is application development tool. As long as you have application development technologies there in the market, as long as Java is there, PEGA will be there. As long as Python is there, PEGA will be there. If Python is overtaking Java in future, okay, PEGA may be translated into Python. Java gone, but PEGA will be there. Today, it started with C language, for your information. PEGA started development this tool, C language, CPP, today Java, tomorrow maybe Python or some other technology. We don't need to bother about the technology internal. Technologies may or may not be there. PEGA will go on, upgrade its technology, and will be there in the market only for one reason, because it is a development tool. Okay, it's not a reporting only. So you don't need to look back in your career for next 20 years if you are properly learning PEGA. Only this year will be difficult for IT industry. Expecting the better things from next year or next 6 months max. Okay. Should I have to be certified in PEGA to be eligible to apply for jobs? Another question. What are the certifications available in PEGA, and what certifications I have to do as a developer? Combinedly, I will cover. So every one of you so far clear? Online students, so far are you clear? So far good everyone? Respond on the chatting window, someone unmute and say. There's no one?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Here
sir.
you go. This question, you listen to me carefully. Okay, I am going to tell you this question of certifications, which certification you have to do. Okay, this is in a generic way I am saying. Okay, first I will cover India and Asian countries. Okay, I'll cover. Okay, whatever I tell about India, equivalently it is applicable for other Asian countries, including Saudi. Okay, see, every one of you, okay, I will cover everyone, even including US at this point. Okay, all countries worldwide. For every one of you, each and every learner here, you want to apply for a job, you are a fresher or anything, whatever you are, you must do first certification for sure. All of you should be doing One certification for sure. There is no question about whether should I be doing this certification or not. Okay, whatever you are fresher, 2023 you are going to pass out, still you have to finish this. Clear everyone? You have to be certified. First certification, certified system architect. This must be done by everyone. $175 plus 18% GST in India, other countries accordingly. It will be around $206 in Indian currency. It will be around 15,500, including tax. I'm saying, not the Google price. Okay, including tax, processing fees, everything. Okay, you will be able to clear the exam. We will help you. No worries about it. You will never fail. And anyhow, you are writing our exams here. Okay. Next one, CSSA means Certified Senior System Architect. Certified Senior System Architect. Again, one more time you need to pay. Okay. If you are writing two certifications, it's not 175. 175 plus 175. Okay. First, if you want to do second certification, you must pass the first certification. You are passing 10th class, then only you will be promoted to intermediate, correct? Same way, CSA certification, you got pass mark, then only you will be promoted to CSSA certificate, allowed to write CSSA certification. Clear everyone? So total how much you are spending if you are writing both? 15,500 plus 15,500. I am giving this information why? Because even financially also you need to see your pocket. Okay, whether sufficient money is there or not there. Simply I should not. But when to do, you need to do after few 1 month like that. I will tell you. Not both. 1 month after you do first one. At the end of the course, you do the second one. I will tell you, don't worry. Okay, not immediately. See, people from India and Asian countries, everyone to do CSA, I'm telling this way. If your expected salary is 12 lakhs or more, equivalently other countries are more, you must do CSA, CSSA. You must be doing CSSA. Don't ask me, I have 6 years of experience. Today I am working on so and so technology. Should I do CSSA? See yourself, what is your today salary? What is your expected salary further? Accordingly, you do it. You have experience of 3 years gap. Sorry, you have 3 years gap. You filled with experience, and you mentioned some so and so is the current salary. What is your expected? Accordingly, you do it. Okay, not in India, 50-50 chances are there for CSA and CSSA. Let me tell you one point openly. Whether you are a CSA or CSSA certified, you are hired. Suppose both of you will get same work. You don't feel like for CSSA they will give tough tasks. CSA they will be giving smaller tasks and all. No, that will not happen. Second one, for CSA or CSSA interview will be same. You mention CSA, apply with one name, one number, one email ID, one resume. Same person apply with another number, another email ID, CSSA. 3 years, 1.5 year, same interview, no doubt, no difference. You experience it yourself. It's not I am saying. Okay. 1 year below experience only, your interview will be little different. 1 year after 4 years, same interview. Okay. And another point I'll tell you. If you are CSSA, you will be immediately given offer compared to CSA. Generally, I'm saying. Senior will be given, right? Priority. Why I am saying all this? People are little afraid. If I am going to put CSSA, they will give me tough tasks in the job, and that's why they will not do CSSA. They will not even get the call. If you are mentioning 3 years of experience in PEGA, 3-4 years, you should do CSSA generally. So all this happens only because of fear here. In the mind, you are fearful. Okay, you don't need to worry about it when you are gaining the knowledge. Okay, 3.5 months is the training duration. It may extend it for one more month for you. What is the problem in that? I know you need a job quickly, immediately. Okay, even I need a lot of money today itself, let's say. Is it going to come? Is it possible? Can you construct the entire wall at a time? It will collapse. Brick by brick, brick by brick, brick by brick. You have to build slowly, one by one. What is your ability? What is your capability? Know about it first. Know about yourself. According to your ability and capability, you start building day by day, day by day, day by day improvement. You will be number one. Okay. So 3.5 months course. Okay, you did only 70%. Remaining 30% you do in next 1 month, no problem. There is nothing hurry. If you take more time to learn, job will be quick. In less span of time you will get job, believe me. If you're taking 5 months time to learn, for example, based on your ability, really you're spending according to your abilities, within 1 month after you're finishing this particular practice and all, within 1 month you will get. With preparation, less preparation and all, if you prepare quickly for 45 days, 2 months and all, if you start applying for jobs, it will take 1 year for you to get into job. Because at the time of applying for jobs, attending interviews, you will start your real preparation. Then prepare for interview 1, interview 2, interview 3, 20 to 30 interviews you will attend. It will take 1 year. Learning, you spend more time, enough time, job will be quick. Learning quick, job will be delayed. For sure it will be delayed. We are saying all this with experience, not as a simple words. Okay, so this is what people from USA, UK, Canada, Australia, okay, these countries, 75%, and Germany and other countries, even Germans are also there, from Germany and all, 75% openings are on CSS, CSSA, no doubt, no matter about whatever your salary. Okay, this I am saying because you have to accordingly get ready. Okay, I know it will be difficult to survive in USA without job for 3.5 months and all. There you need it quickly. Complete your certifications at the earliest, I'll help you. Okay, for other country people immediately, because it will be difficult to survive here. Our parents will give money, who will give there in USA? They will, no one will give. So we have to do part-time jobs and all. So CWSA is mandatory. For other countries, almost 75% of jobs on CWSA. Clear everyone? Everyone clear? So I'm openly saying everything. So with this course, what certifications I can clear? With this course, you can complete CSA, you can complete CWSA also, you will be an LSA also. Third level of certification is there, which you don't need to do actually. LSA, lead system architect, solution architect, like team lead, tech lead. So after you complete this course, you will be work on LSA also, but I'll tell you at the time of teaching, this is LSA level and all I'll mention, but you don't do LSA. You need to learn the design a little bit better than what we are teaching here, because for a fresh learner, I cannot teach the design completely. We are following design for sure, but not LSA level design. That is little bit more. You join a project, work there for 1 year, understand the project design, get the knowledge slowly day by day, and then focus on LSA. You will get a package of 45 to 50 lakhs in India. For sure you will get. 45 minimum you will get for sure. If you're an LSA, we are ready to give. Okay. Next, what is next? Do you think I am repeating everything that you are aware of? No, right? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the duration of the course? Duration of the course is 3.5 months. 3 months, 15 days. This is starting from Monday onwards. So in between, I wanted to tell you one thing. It's a pre-plan for me. Usually when I start a batch, I will not take any leave for any reason. Usually in the regular classes also, I will not take leaves. I think you know that yesterday also I had kept a class. Okay, even though rain and all, climate is not good. I have done my job. Okay, if it is really raining at the class time, I might not have taken. That's a different case. But everything has settled down by morning 6 o'clock and all. So some people have attended. Most of the people have attended. Okay, for simple reasons and all, I'll not take any leave. But tomorrow I will not be available. Your classes will be usually Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, India. India, Monday to Friday. India, Monday, India, Friday. USA accordingly, you just see. Okay. Maybe Sunday to Thursday for you in USA and other countries. And but tomorrow I will not be available. Okay. Tomorrow I am not going to take your class. Saturday, Sunday, anyhow, holiday, right? 3 days you got. What you will be doing? Sunday, anyhow, you enjoy, no problem. What do you do on this Friday? Day one demo, day two demo. You know, you understand. Watch again. You understand? Still again you watch. Because when you watch a movie for the first time and second time, what do you feel second time? You'll get more clarity. You feel like, how did I miss this scene? Definitely that will be there for everyone, right? Definitely you'll understand little bit better. Practice makes a man perfect. Revise, revise, revise. New point, new learning, new concept. Definitely the same, you know everything, you learn once again, you'll find some new point, new understanding you'll see. Okay. That's why you repeatedly, revision should be there every 1 week for all of you. Okay, I'll tell you the process again. So 3.5 months, why the duration of the course is 3.5 months, where you are getting the same training, I mean like PEGA training somewhere else, okay, within 45 days or 2 months. The reason is very simple. We do not want to go on a faster pace, first thing. Second thing, whatever we cover here, it's not a high level project development. Okay, it's project development from the scratch, plus technicals will see in depth. You need to understand a lot in PEGA. We do not only focus on completing a real-time project. No, no. Design of PRPC tool also we need to learn in depth. PEGA tool is designed, right? How the tool is designed? Hey, why you need to learn the design of tool? Design of tool doesn't mean coding, not code level. Design means it's database structure only. Okay, and its relations. Why you need to learn all this? You want to become LSA one day? You learn now. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to teach me like some other programs, they will conduct training programs. High level, how to create application functionalities. This is high level. Internal relations, no one will teach you. But you want to become an expert like a tech lead, whatever I learn, everything I will teach you. Okay. You need to give me your time and spend time. You will be learning for sure better. You will be in a position after this course, if you really spending enough time and you are really practicing and understanding in a proper way whatever I teach you, you directly go and sit with 3 years person, you will be helping them in the project for sure. It will happen for sure. If you don't have fear, definitely you will be skillful more than 3 to 5 years experience resource in PEGA. Okay, during the training program I will ask you some few questions. I will not tell you the answer for that. I will not even ask you to tell the answer for that by yourself. I will tell you that you go and check with your friends or someone who is working on PEGA in your known contacts, not 2 years, 3 years, 10 years experience, 5 years experience like that, and get the solution for that to me. Not a scenario, not a scenario. That's a technical point of understanding within PRBC. Check with someone 5 years, 7 years, 10 years experience resource, come back to me with an answer. Okay, why I do like this? You realize to understand what is the level of training that is being delivered to you. Because you don't know anything about PEGA, whoever the trainer giving you trainer, you feel that is the ultimate thing. If you're already a PEGA developer working on PEGA, maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, then only you will come to know about the depth we are teaching. You already know something, then only you will understand the depth, right? You are sitting with a fresh mind with no knowledge at all. Whatever we teach, that will be the depth. Whether I have taken you to depth or not, if I say I have taken you to depth, you feel like, okay, this is the depth. That's what the problem with people. They are joining some other place. After that, they are realizing and coming back and joining here. How many of you are there already who has completed PEGA training somewhere else? One. At least few people will be there in the class for sure. Even online, some people should be there. They will join somewhere else because the fees is 2000 less than a year. They will join. The duration is 1 month less than a year, because they will say the same in the call. Hey, you can learn in 2 months. I will give you everything. You will finish in 2 months. You will definitely get job. You are 2016 pass out. No problem. You'll get job as a fresher. Okay. This type of words obviously will fall down, right? But that is not true. But after that, you will come and join. You will ask me now discount. I have already paid there. Can you give me discount? I'll give you half training. Is that okay? No. So see, we expect what we are working for, right? You are working for a company. You expect enough salary for your efforts, right? Everyone is saying. What is there in that? Okay. So you spend enough time while learning. That's why we want you to give time to learn, understand, remember, revise, do research. All this I want you to do. Minimum you need to spend 2 hours, 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Initial 10 days, maybe you are spending only 1 hour, enough. Going forward, what will happen? You need to revise, right? You need to go back to previous topic and do today's topic connected. Both are connected. You will forget, obviously, it will happen for everyone. Even I will also forget. Okay. For the first time when I am doing, after 10 days, I will forget. You will also forget after 10 days. When you will remember, I am repeating again and again. Revise, revise, revise. Revise the previous topic while you are doing next topic, and then do it. Then only you will remember. Okay. You'll remember perfectly forever. So you need to spend 1.5 hour to 2 hours every day apart from the class. That is pretty much fair enough if you are utilizing properly. So if you turn on phone and WhatsApp, Facebook or Instagram reels and then doing something, again phone call, doing something, you have to spend 5 hours and even you do not get knowledge. Switch off the phone, keep it aside and then start working on PEGA for 1.5 hour. Don't take your phone. Phone should be in some other room. You should be in another room. Okay, no phone calls in between. If possible, morning you call your family friends, tell them today whole day I will not be available till evening, don't call me. Evening I will myself call. Between you don't take any phone calls from your friends also, unless you are attending interviews, that is important. Between you don't take any phone calls from anyone. You fully focus on learning apart from your job. Okay, that's my suggestion. If you follow that, definitely you will be successful. So what is the duration of the class? Daily 1 hour. For practice 1.5 hour to 2 hours. Anyone who is attending online from Hyderabad, if you want to come down to classroom here for practice also, we have that facility available for all of you. You can sit here and practice if you want, or you want to leave, go home and practice at your home also. Okay, wherever you are practicing, you will definitely get assistance and help from us with a defined process, which I will explain you later. No matter you are spending hours in your home or here, you will get the same help. Okay. How do I get my practice done after the class? That's what I told. I will tell you this. You will be provided with theory documents, practical documents, interview questions and answers documents related to the topic wise. Okay, video after 4 hours, 3 hours it will be available because conversions upload and again processing. Okay, video is secondary thing when you attend live training. If you're not attending live training, video is primary. First video and then remaining. If you're attending live training today's class, don't bother about video. Theory document, then practical, then interview questions. Completed weekly 2 exams or 1 exam. Initially 1 exam. If you're okay, 2 exams. Okay, you will get the result immediately. We have multiple choice question exams which everyone has to write. We will assign you, we will give you a deadline of 1 week more than the actual deadline. Okay, it doesn't mean that you have to take it after 1 week. Okay, whatever the time that is this weekend, Wednesday 1 exam, Saturday 1 exam you take. That's better thing, I think. 2 exams will be good. Okay, Wednesday 1 exam and Saturday 1 exam you take. It's not that you write the exam, you get 5 marks or 9 marks, you leave it. After the exam, you might be choosing something as a fluke option. Correct, with a guess you might be choosing, right? That one you have to make a note. Something wrong, make a note. Take the screenshot of exam you have completed. You will not get right answers there. Only what is right for you, wrong for you will get. What for a wrong, for a question you have marked as wrong answer, you have chosen. What is right for that will not be coming. You need to go back to the subject, revise and find out the right answer. You cannot take second time, but second time you take by yourself in a paper. What is there? This will make you to revise the subject. You have to revise, right? You are not revising, I'll make you to revise this process. For writing exam, if you are prepared, see, exam also, test 1, what is the topic is given in the exam name itself. Why I am giving the topic name? You directly don't go and take the exam. Read the topic name, go and revise for half an hour the topic, then start taking the exam. That's why I am giving topic name, whatever covered in the exam. Understand? Clear everyone? So that also we will be providing, and interview recordings will be providing. You need to listen whenever you have free time. Understand the way how they are asking questions, how the way we are responding to that questions. Not only the answer, the approach, how we are managing, that also you need to understand. That's why I'll provide you around 16 audio recordings. Okay, real interviews, audio recordings. Whenever you are just you got some free time, you are traveling in a public transport or something, you are driving, don't listen please. Okay, you are sitting back, someone is driving, then you can listen, no problem. Okay, so you can listen simply, and you just try to analyze, oh, this question, this is how we need to respond and answer. Okay, so your preparation will be in all the ways. We will try to mold you. And next question is, how do I get help in the resume preparation, or while you are practicing, if you are stuck in somewhere, not resume, while you are practicing, you stuck somewhere, how do you get help? First source is your documents. Second source is your video. First source is what? Document only. Second source is video. Still not done. Third source we will be available to help you through the WhatsApp group. Okay, you post that in the WhatsApp group, but strictly you have already tried solving it 2 or 3 times, then only you post. Once you get red color error message, don't take the screenshot and post it. That is not the right way of learning. Learning is not the main point here. The right way of learning is the main point. See, we got 90 marks in mathematics. What is the use of matrices in real life? No, we don't know. But I got 90 out of 100 out of 100 in mathematics. I don't know what is the real use of matrices. This is the learning we had. The approach was wrong. You learn, you got marks exam 100 or 100, still you are not skillful for your information. You are knowledgeable of what you know. You have a skill of presenting back. Okay, you are representing the same what you know. You don't have a research skill, you don't have new invention skill. Without having these skills, we cannot say that you are skillful. Okay, if I teach you one requirement, same you are doing, that means you did not gain the knowledge. It doesn't mean you are gaining the knowledge, full knowledge. You understood it, you are able to replicate the same. That's not the ultimate learning. I will give you one requirement without teaching. Understand requirement, analyze and implement it with the knowledge what you have gained. You are skillful. Get your own ideas and do something new. You are really skillful. Okay, so maybe you feel like how do we learn this much? He's saying so many things. See, everything is a practice. Once you are in that practice, automatically you'll do it. You will get that interest, you will be passionate towards the subject, you will gain the knowledge for sure. But only thing is, we need to have the dedication to sit for 1 hour or 1.5 hours, which we do not have in the past. Okay, it's a new way that you are trying to achieve. So to get adjusted yourself, it will take minimum 10 days. These 10 days are crucial. If you are really tying yourself strictly, okay, and spending time for this 10 days, automatically from 11th day onwards you will spend it. Okay, waking up early in the morning, you need an alarm only for first 5 days. First 5 days you need. 6th day onwards, you will wake up and stop that alarm, because your body is adjusted to do that. It's habituated. Automatically it will do. Automatically you'll get interest from 11th day onwards. First 10 days are difficult, because you have never done in the past sitting 1.5 hours and practicing, learning, writing something and all. Okay, this is a new practice for you. So 10 days you spend, 11th day onwards automatically your body and mind is going to cooperate. Okay, till then you have to hold those things. What if you are going to miss the class due to some emergency? We are providing video recording, right? You missed a class, maybe morning 1 hour you are not able to attend this time, evening 1 hour you spend and finish it before tomorrow, anytime. Night 10 o'clock you spend, 10 to 11 or 12 to 1 o'clock you spend at least 1 hour and finish and then go to sleep. Done, no problem. Okay, next, what if I was not able to continue my course and drop off in between? This is the reason why we are providing videos. Once again I'm saying, as you are being provided with videos, there is no meaning of dropping off. You drop off, videos are there, you continue with videos in your own pace, there is no problem. We will give you access for day, from day 1 to last day, 3.5 months plus 1.5 month more we will extend, no problem. You are lagging little bit, 10-15 days, that will be covered. Last two topics you want to revise, you have 1.5 month more, 45 days additionally, no problem, you will be able to do it. Just 10-15 days will extend more, no issues. Okay, but we want you to learn perfectly. That's the main point. How long there will be access to videos? I told just now. I did not tell you that you will be having for lifelong. I did not tell you that you can download. You can watch the video 5 months whole from Monday onwards, no problem. Okay, that will be a separate repository, not the YouTube. Or that is your live class. Whatever that happened today, it will be available to you, same. Are we going to build any project from the scratch? We are going to actually work on 4 projects if you are willing to do. First project I will teach you. Parallelly, second project you will be doing after 1 week. After 1 week you will start. And third project, maybe at the end of the course, nearly end of the course, if you are really good, you can take up the third. Fourth project we will be doing in the post training. Okay, I'll explain about post training. It is very simple. In this training, we have 10 people, for example. Out of 10, 5 people they are lagging, slowly they are coming. Remaining 5 are up to the mark. Those 5 only will be kept into post training. How we will assess? I did not tell you this. You need to give mock interviews once in a month. Once in 3 weeks or once in a month, we have a schedule. I'll define the schedule. You have to give mock interview. You need to schedule. We will take mock interviews. After the mock interview, immediately we'll tell you your score, where you are lagging, what you need to improve. These 3 points you need to ask them. They will give you immediately. Okay, you don't need to give me, don't be afraid. Okay, other people will take, they will assess you, because you will, even if you know one answer, you will not say that well when you are giving interview to me. I know that. So that mock interviews we will assess, these exams we will consider. Exam you are getting good marks, mock interview you are failing, what does it mean? You are getting answers from your seniors. Okay, so we know how to assess. Okay, so exam you are getting good marks, you have taken screenshots from your seniors, mock interview will be got, right? So don't do such type of things. Even they are giving you screenshot, reject it. Okay, we'll change the questions anyhow, batch to batch. So make sure that you are properly practicing, preparing. Once in 3 weeks or once in a month, overall 4 interviews you will be giving. We will assess you accordingly. Okay, and we'll put you into post training program, which is free of cost for our students, and 20,000 rupees from for outsiders. Outsiders also will join, somewhere else they will be learning, right? They will come to us for sure, no doubt about it. Okay, they will be paying 20,000, that is equivalent to, I mean, like little bit less than this course fees is 25, that is 20 then regular. But there we will not teach all these things hands on and all. We will give project, do it. Okay, we will guide you if you stuck somewhere, that's it. Apart from that, interview level, more polish, you are already skillful, we'll shine up you a little bit more, you can crack any interview. We have conducted 3 batches. 2 batches are, everyone got job almost. Only 2 female resources, they are married and they are not possible for them now. They will come later, they will do it. Whoever is in post training, they will get job for sure. You are in post training means you are in the job, because you are skillful. That's why we have taken you to post training. Okay, I will tell you about post training once again. Okay, during the post training only we will attend interviews, we will not wait till end. Half we complete post training, 20 days we will start attending interviews. By end of post training or maybe 10 days later, you will crack it for sure. You will get offer letter, there is no doubt. Are you going to provide any soft copy of the material? Yes, I told you already, theory documents, practical documents, video recordings to watch for certain period, and interview audio recordings and examinations, and then uh, audio recordings of the concepts also I'll provide, because you want to listen back. Every time you cannot play a video, right? I have conceptually audio recordings. At the end of the recording, I will be asking questions also. You don't need to respond for now, leave it. But somewhere, whenever you have free time, the topic you want to listen again, I will provide you audio recording separately. I'm providing you. You can listen to it if you have free time. That's up to you. Okay. We have a lot of material, theory, interview question and answer documents, all that. Okay. Topic wise. As a student, what should be my expectation while learning PEGA? This is what you should be answering actually. Okay, to from my side, if I have to tell you, your expectation from me should be nothing. Means you should not expect me something which is unreal. Okay, you should not expect me to make you sit in a job. As I told you, I already have a path which is already constructed. I will ask you to travel in that path. It is up to you whether you travel or not. You're traveling, destination is job, then done. Okay, as a student you should have a lot of dedication and determination towards learning. That is very very important. Okay, I thought that I can complete this document in 20 minutes, but I was not able to. I have taken almost 50 minutes to do this. Okay, but I feel like I have given you enough information which is true. Everyone clear? Online students, you may have further more questions than this. I think by this time most of the questions would have been sorted out. And one more thing I can tell you, you might be finding me, I'm going little bit faster pace. That is only today, not yesterday, day before yesterday, right? Because it is general talk. I'm just continuously speaking, right? Without gap. That's why. But yesterday, day before yesterday sessions, slow. The same way classes will be. Today only, maybe I'm just moving a little bit faster in a general question and answers. Okay. But do you have any more questions, doubts, anything that you want to ask me? Many people, they have already called me and got career guidance. I think everyone is done. What about your installation process? Are you done with that? How many of you are still pending with installation? I think most of you have done. 1, 2, 3 only. And online, I feel like 30% of the people might not have done the installation so far. Okay. 3 days you have. Friday only you do the installation. Okay. You have any issue, Saturday you contact us. On which number you contact? I told you already, installation issue. Send a screenshot, immediately make a phone call, direct phone call on 9652532753. That is the number you have to call. Don't call me. Okay, I cannot help you for installation. My team will help you because it is only me. My team, 3 to 4 people will help you for installation. If one person is busy, another person will help. You want your installation to be done, it will be done for sure, no doubt. If you are a classroom student, instead of taking phone help, bring your laptop. If your installation is failing, bring the laptop, they will do live. That is better thing. Online student, we will join any desk. Everyone install any desk. It will be useful for us when some doubt you have or something you are failing with. I mean, like practice. If you're not able to explain it properly, or if that cannot be, if you're not able to understand the solution that I am giving, we may connect by any desk. That's why every one of you keep any desk software installed on your machine. It is just 5 minutes. Okay, everyone, any desk software install and keep it with you. We may need it. Offline people, anyhow, you will directly be coming. Okay, if you are practicing here, if you are practicing from remote place, we will connect by any desk, not every time. After we have enough communication of clearing the doubt or anything, if still not possible, then only we will connect. Okay, I will be connecting if that is any desk. Installations and all, my team will be connecting through any desk. Technical doubt, career guidance, I am here. Everything else, my team will be there. PEGA, career, both I will be there. Everything else other than these two, video recording access, something you are not able to play in the video, document you did not get, I forgot to post the document, everything you ask them. Okay, they will guide you. I will only post the documents. Only you have to come to me only for two reasons. One is anything related to PEGA related technical, PEGA related future, career, your career, any advice, something, you come to me personally. Other than this, anything else, you just talk to the management team, they will help you, no worries. Okay, so that's it from my end. As a student, your expectation, you have to tell me. I will wait for 5 more minutes. One or two people tell me what is your expectation, why are you joining, what are you expecting from this training. One or two people say. Online, one person say. What is that you are expecting? You're not simply joining, right? You have some expectation, that's why you are joining here. Okay, any one or two people tell me what is your expectation.
If we take offline videos, can we complete the course in 1 month?
I have never seen anyone completing course in 3.5 months in my 14 years of experience. Many people have asked, see, there is no problem. If you have more time, you call me, I'll tell you a process. Okay, Rupa. I think we have discussed it, Rupa. You call me after the class, once after I wind
Yeah.
up, take 10 minutes, 15 minutes gap, 10:30, 10:08, right? 10:30, you call me, I'll guide you. Okay. See, if you are just, if your memory, if your mind is something like which can accept a memory card, I would have inserted. Okay, but it is not like, unfortunately. You have to know, you have to read, you have to remember. After 10 days, you have to remember. You need to revise. Okay, see, there will be something called the minimum time that is needed to complete any work by anyone. You are an expert, you are an ordinary person. For anyone, there will be a minimum time to finish a task. Correct? Whoever you are, the 3.5 months usually is the minimum time. Okay, usually it is a minimum time. Okay, you will understand after I will not leave anything. Whatever the questions you have asked me over the phone call, I will just get you clarification that for that questions going forward. Okay, after 15 to 20 days, I will ask you, is 1 hour class enough or you want me to take 1.5 hour? That time will say, no, 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 1 hour is enough. You will only say, we will see, no problem. If I am teaching 2 hours a day, you cannot do it. That is impossible, because it's not that you do practical and throw away your laptop. You need to understand the concept, do the practice, remember the navigations, understand the technical, revise after some time, because obviously you will forget it, and do one more project. It will take 2 hours a day for sure, 1.5 hour to 2 hours. First 10 days only, within 1 hour you will finish everything, I know that. But after 10 days, 1.5 hour you'll spend. After 2 months, you have to spend. After 2 months, you have to spend 2 hours strictly, properly if you are utilizing. Okay. I will tell you the methodology of practice and learning. Okay. You don't go by your own methodology at all. First, follow my methodology. And if you are coming up with something better than that, you can. Okay.
Sure.
I will tell you
Thank you.
on Monday. I am repeating again. Tomorrow I am traveling and there is no class tomorrow. Obviously, Saturday, Sunday, no class. Sometimes I'll take Saturday. I'll inform you 1 week before if I am taking. If I am taking, I'll inform you 1 week before. You can plan accordingly, no problem. Okay. But this Friday, only this is the first time I am giving a holiday after 3 days, because it was been planned 2.5 months back itself. Okay. So this Friday, complete installation. Any issues, call us. Saturday, we will be available between 10:30 to 4 for installation and all, anything, our team. During the weekdays, please remember, all people from India, if you want to call us anytime, call us between 10 to 5:30 p.m. Don't call us night. US students will call us, other countries will call us evening time. Leave it for them. Anyone from India staying in India, you guys take the time of 10 to 5:30. Between this time, any doubts, any questions, any general things, anything. Okay, to institute you want to call, you call between this time only. You leave the evening time for other countries, please. Even you are working, just to take 10 minutes time from your lunch and then call us, finish it. Because working employees, they feel like after I go home, I want to call. Okay, if you are in India, just to take daytime, 10 minutes and get clarified about everything. Okay.
Is there an expiration for these certifications?
As of today, there is no. See, I have done certification 10 years back, still I am certified. Okay, doing certification today, you will be certified forever. No expert version will be get retired, new version exam will come. It doesn't mean you have to write every version. Okay, once you are certified, forever certified. As of today, there is no expiration.
Thank you, Harsha.
Okay, thank you.
Harsha, it is possible to change our time 8 to 9?
No, actually, I'll tell you. Morning 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 11 to 12, evening 6 to 7, 7 to 8. We have all slots batches running. Don't think your batch only running. We have multiple slots batches running. Every month, one slot will become free and we'll start a batch in that. This is fixed. Okay, 8 to 9. So next slot will be 7 to 8. 9 to 10 completed, right? It will rotate with 7 to 8. 7 to 8. May mid after. 1 month we need at least. Okay, this is
Okay.
almost April ending, right? Because if
Yeah,
I start 9 o'clock today, till next 4 months, I cannot take 9 o'clock slot. Because I am the only trainer teaching, right? That's the problem. That's the reason. Okay. One slot will
okay.
be coming back again with a interval of 4 months almost. After your batch completes, I'll take rest for 7 days. 9 o'clock, I'll not take any batch. After 7 days, new batch will start. Like that, it will be usually. Okay. So it is not possible because we don't have slot. That's the problem.
Okay. Harsha, now I'm attending for online. It is possible for after some day
You can
I'll
switch
come
between
to.
online offline based on your convenience by informing anytime. You are coming
Okay.
offline. One day it is not possible. You are traveling. You want to attend by phone, but don't miss the class. Connect online. You are online, not possible attending on that day. Evening time, watch the video and finish. Even offline also same case may be. You are not, it is not possible for next 15 days to come to classroom. Switch to online for 15 days, inform, get it accordingly done. You're online, you want to come to classroom, inform us and come to classroom from the next day onwards. We will take your photo also, you need to upload. We will give you that form tomorrow. You need to, I mean, like after the enrollment next week, not tomorrow. You need to upload your photo. We want to know who is joining the training. Okay.
Okay.
PEGA
Yeah.
versions will change. I told you, right? Going forward from 24, 24, 24.1, 2, 3, 4 like that. As of today, 8.7, 8.8, 3 months gap is there almost. You don't need to bother about versions. You can work on any version. I'm saying now. You can work on any version if you are learning from me. I will not teach the latest version approach. I'll teach old version to latest.
So
Even
Harsha,
future
I have
version
a
will be
question.
able to. Yes, please.
So Harsha, like as you said, like we should have like at least 10 days of like a commitment, right? Uh,
Commitment for what?
like to learn any technology or like for that.
1 minute. How much is the course fee and how to pay? See, course fees details and how to pay, all the details you will be receiving. If they send you, if it is Google Pay, Phone Pay, something you will be sending immediately. If it is bank account, you have to send other country people. Add the bank account and keep it with you. If you're joining, you pay immediately once you receive the message. Okay, they will give you a little bit of time, 2 to 3 days and all. Don't wait till last day and say that I have KYC issues. This is not happening. Please allow me 2 days. We will give you enough time. Already 3 days over. We will take 2 or 3 classes, no problem. But don't wait till last day. You are decided, you pay now and join. What is there in that? Anyhow you have to pay, right? Okay, so it's all about the mindset. Anyhow, now I told you 10 days time you need minimum to set right your this one. It's not about PEGA. You are joining a gym, you need minimum 10 days time for that adjustment, your body to be adjusted to the weights and all. You need 10 days time. Yes or no? After that you cannot stay back without doing it. Yes or no? You're joining yoga, first 5 days it is difficult, remaining 5 days also it may be a little bit difficult. After 10 days you cannot stay back at your home without doing it. But the problem is, if you are missing it 2 to 3 continuous days, we will never do it again. Make it never happen for this course. Continuously, if you are
Harsha,
missing the classes 5 days, you lose the interest. Yes, please.
Harsha,
uh, Harsha, as per
Harsha,
your discussion, you said suppose you have some career gaps, so you put the experience like that. So are you providing any experience letter or or anything like that?
See, for you people to get into job, we have sources for everything. Okay, it's not only PEGA training. All sources are available, known and trusted sources. We will tell you where to go. You go and get it done. We are here to guide you if you have any problem facing with them. Okay, we are here to help you. We'll be in between, no worries. But we will not do it by ourselves officially. Okay,
Okay.
that is the
With the
party who is doing this experience and all. We will tell you, go there. We will be there in between. They will not do anything wrong with you. I mean, like, they will not take your money and go away and not support. They will do it. Okay,
Uh,
but we
they
will
provide
guide you.
is it applicable to
background
every country?
verification also.
Every certification also.
Yeah.
You are taking the certification, help and all. We
Mhm.
will show you a trusted source. You fail in the exam, I will give it to you for free of cost. You don't need to run behind them. You are a
Okay.
alone person, you go to them, you are writing somehow you failed, for example, they will not return your money. If you're taking help, I'll tell you help process also later. Okay, because I don't want you to waste that 15,500. You will understand why you need to take help after you are writing our exams. Okay, wait for 1 week, give me time. Okay, for everything we have a reason to do. Okay.
Harsha, one
Harsha.
question.
Shravani, go ahead.
Yes.
I'll come to you, Ajit. I'll come to
Uh,
you, Shravani.
Harsha, we believe that PEGA has good demand and in the market. But if someday, if we reach 12,000, 12 lakhs or maybe 20 lakhs package, and if that day, if PEGA is not in demand, then in IT field, if we switch to any other technology, if the package that we get, we'll get the same package, or again we will be back to the starting.
You will get
I'll tell you
pro.
one thing. See here, if you are a not, I don't want to use this. Let me tell you how a software engineer should be. You are a software engineer. You joined as a fresher. You work for first company 2 years, not more than that. Switch to the second company. Work there for 1 year. Just switch again. One more company. 1 year only. One more company. 1 year only. Next you switch and stay back there for 3 years. Next you switch, stay back there for 5 years. You leave this IT development, get into management, or start your own company with your skill. This is how you should be. You should never work in an organization for 5 years, 10 years initial days. That's the biggest mistake. Fresher 2 years done, because you have to learn so many things. You are a fresher. Switch to another company, you'll get good salary. Only 1 year. After that, switch again. Only 1 year. 3 times you'll be switching after first company. 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, done. You switch and stay back for 2 years because you are learning some lead skills. Okay, after 5 years, there 2 years again switch, stay back there for 3 years because you want to be solution architect as well as learn something management, business oriented. Both. Focus on all these things. A developer should never be a developer coding something. That's a wrong practice. After 10 to 11 years you complete, you should be having your own company, or you should be setting up something by your own, or maybe you are in a good position to run an organization. Fortunately, all of my friends, they are now in the top level in an organization, almost running that companies, or they have started their own PEGA companies. I started my training. Okay, few of my friends, they are owning their companies, 3 people, and one person is working almost as a director for another company. Okay, in India only. And there is another person called Ravi who is in another country. He is almost a technical director for that PEGA company. Okay, and I am here running the academy. Okay, we will help each other all the time. Okay, so we all have a clear thought of what we wanted to do. We never wanted to be a developer forever. Okay, that's a wrong practice actually. 5 years if you work for one company as a fresher, your life is gone that time itself. Many people, they don't know this actually. After 5 years they will realize, because for 1 year, 2 years, the 30,000, 40,000 you're getting, it will be more money. After you get married, gone. Okay, 1 to 3 years you will feel comfortable. If you are, if you if you are going to take that comfortable position, that's it, your life will be in risk. Okay, you should never be taking a comfortable position. That's not the right way. People will work for 7 8 years. You know why? Any work that is been assigned to them, they can do on fingertips, because repeatedly they are doing. Okay, even when they are sleeping, if you call them, they will solve the issue. It is a wrong practice actually. You should never work for any company for 5 years on initial days. Okay, that is wrong. Okay, you have to move on in your career, switching the companies. That is possible only in IT industry. By 10 years your salary should be minimum 40 lakhs, minimum not 40, 50 lakhs. Okay, not by 10 years, it should be by 5 6 years only. Not 10 years is too long duration. By 10 years you should have your own something. At least you should start a consultancy with the contacts you should have. You hire the people and then place them as a side business. At least you have to do that. That's how you have to manage in your organization. You should have maintained a good relationship with everyone. All these skills are required to be number one in the career. Okay, at the same time you have to balance your personal life. Okay, so if you are reaching 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, one day PEGA expires. If you think, you have to be the owner of something. Okay, think like that. Why you need to think again? Why you work for someone for lifetime? Even you are working, see, all the CEOs, higher level management people, they have a second business apart from their job. Everywhere, entire globe, they have their own companies running. They are working as a CEO and COO, or maybe director, junior director. They are working and they have their own companies. Not one, 10 companies they are holding. All consultancies belongs to main people who are working in IT industry. Why don't you be in that position? You just have a good relationship with your management. Okay, that is possible. Okay, I'm not saying that you have to work only for money. Okay, that's, don't take it in that point of view. I want you to be independent. Okay, that's the main thing that you need to focus on. Focus on the business apart from technology. That's main thing. Okay, PEGA developer can do any other programming. Generally Java developer can do JavaScript. PEGA developer cannot do anything other than PEGA, because PEGA itself is more than enough. Java developers, they learn so many things. Java is not enough. They have to learn other technologies connected. PEGA tool entirely enough. They don't want to do anything. They don't need to do it. How much is the course fees? I told you already. You need to contact them. They will send you details today, no problem. Okay. So that's
Uh,
it from mine. I think I have taken almost 25 minutes after 10 o'clock. Okay. But usually we'll wind up by 10 o'clock. Thank you very much. Thank you.